Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to the fourth marking period. I wanted to touch base really quick and just reach out and let you guys know what we should be expecting and looking for moving forward. So, whether you are in physics or in physical science, your Schoology materials page should look very similar. I'm going to leave two main folders published for you. One digital called the Digital Learning Expectations. We've been here already. You should have came in through here, looked at these different materials, taken this quiz and gotten a 10 out of 10 on it. I'm going to leave it there just so that you can look back on these documents if you should need to. If you have any questions, um, that is a good folder to look at. Obviously, until we get back to school, things are going to look a little bit different. All right. Last Thursday, you should have submitted everything for the third marking period. I have unpublished that folder and it's going to remain that way just to keep things a little bit less confusing for you guys. Okay. Moving forward, anything that you're doing on Schoology is going to be housed in this fourth marking period folder. All right, this is where it's going to start to look a little bit different. My physics guys, you can see I have our next three units in there. Physical science, going to look a little bit different, but the same general organization. All right, I'm going to keep your your due dates as much as I can so they're popping up on the right hand side and giving you those reminders. Okay, and keep an eye out for a second video coming maybe this afternoon. Just trying to give you guys some tips on some different received some questions about different submissions and things like that. And just remember to consult. There should have been a slide deck shared with you guys on your course page about just troubleshooting if you're not able to load something or things like that. Okay, gonna try and help as much as I can. Just remember to reach out to me and shoot me a message on Schoology. All right, guys. Hopefully, we'll see you soon and be well.